Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a standard battery arranged e-motor, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a max trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a bed camera as well, with a nice tailgate step. Got the nice Lightning logo with an extended gripped running board, side view camera, light, blind spot detection, a place to plug in your vehicle as well, which is pretty handy. And moving to the front here, we do get that customary LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice faux grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a mega powered frunk, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You do get a light that you can turn on or off, your Power Onboard, which is 9.6 kilowatts. Plenty of hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, and you do get storage underneath with your mobile power cord. To close, all you have to do, hit that button there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat, with that being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 92 kilometers. We get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get My View, Trip, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. To my right, we have a gear select that is collapsible, storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, your center console that is lockable as well with storage underneath, trailer brake, Protrailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here. And looking here, we have our traction and hazards with a nice 360 view of your vehicle, which you can go through different camera angles. Gonna click into our bed camera real quick, and it looks pretty nice. And looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Power Onboard. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and features of the vehicle, such as your drive modes that include normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, one pedal drive, locking differential, hill descent, all thanks to your max tow package. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG07408, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.